Piazza Navona, at the time of ancient Rome, was the Stadium of Domitian, which was built by the Emperor Domitian in 85, and in the 3rd century it was restored by Alexander Severus. It was 265 meters long, 106 meters wide, and Piazza Navona is one of the most famous monumental squares in Rome, built in the monumental style by the Pamphili family at the behest of Pope Innocent X. Siovanni Battista Pamphili, with the typical shape of a stadium. Piazza Navona is a symbol of Baroque Rome, with architectural and sculptural elements by Gian Lorenzo Bernini, the Fountain of the Four Rivers in the center of the square, which represents the Danube, the Ganges, the Nile and the Rio della Plata, the four corners of the earth, Francesco Borromini and Girolamo Rainaldi, the church of Sant'Agnese in Agone, in front of the Bernini fountain, and Pietro da Cortona. Piazza Navona also has two other fountains: the Fontana del Moro, sculpted by Giacomo della Porta and retouched by Bernini, located in the southern area of the square, and the Fontana del Nettuno, originally the Calderari fountain, located in the northern area, by Gregorio Zappalà and Antonio della Bitta. In the Renaissance period, the square housed a market. Navona Square is within walking distance of the Pantheon and is a hangout for both locals and tourists, day and night.